It's me. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make slime. So let's get on to the video. I'm going to go to the restroom so I can use the ingredients that are in the restroom. So hope you guys enjoy. And subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button down below. So let's get on to the video. So the things you're going to need is something to put it in. I'm using a bowl. And you're going to need something to mix with. I'm using a kind of just like a brush. Also, the other thing you're going to need is Bob Kids 2-in-1 or 3-in-1. I'm using 3-in-1. So, yeah. And you're going to need salt and refrigerator. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay guys, so I'm in the kitchen and now I'm just going to mix it up. I haven't added the salt, so you have to mix it up before you add any salt or before you add anything. Really. So just so you can start getting into the perfect consistency. So I'm going to spill it. So now we're gonna go get the salt. So, and guys, a lot of people keep telling me I should try sea salt. I'm gonna try it just for y'all guys. So, yeah. So let me just get a spoon. Okay, so I didn't have a spoon, but I'm just gonna twinkle it on my hand. So, yeah, a lot of people suggested this sea salt thing. So, yeah, I'm hoping it works. So I really want some. I'm just gonna add pinches. So, yeah. Mix this up, see how it turns out. Slimy or not. Not so slimy, but it's turning out to be. Getting less sticky though. That's what I know for sure. Just pour the rest. I can have a little more. Oh, sorry, I can't even see, guys. Probably put it way too low. Being way too high for you guys. Let's put it a little higher. So you can see, trying to be slimy, the more you add the salt, the more slimy you add. So maybe I just need a little bit more salt, probably. It's getting less sticky. So I think sea salt, this kind of salt, really works. So you need this kind of salt, guys. To do it, you need this kind of salt. But you don't want to add too much. So you want to have it on your hand and just keep mixing it up until you feel like it's getting hard. It just keeps getting harder. And it's not going to be really good. But you want it to still feel really slimy. You want it to be harder than what you realize it is. So it's way too liquidy. Add more of the shampoo. So it's way too, if it's sticky, just add a little bit more salt. So then you want to leave it in the freezer or the refrigerator, whichever you want to use. And you want to leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes. But I'm going to add a little bit more salt. Don't want too much salt, because then it just adds salt. It just makes it a little worse. So you don't want to add too much salt, but you want to add a little more salt. Just pour the whole thing in there. These are my hand. And I'm just pouring a little bit in my hand, so it's not like I have a lot. It's not sticking to the bowl. You can see as much as it was. It's actually pulling off at the edges a lot more. It's still pretty sticky, but it's working. I think I just need a little bit more salt, just to make it a little less sticky. But if you want it to be perfect, you want to stop adding salt, just like I am. So I'm going to stop adding salt. I keep adding the salt. It's gonna keep. See, it's very sticky. They told me if you keep adding salt, it's gonna start getting very liquidy. So you do not want to add a lot of salt, and you gotta refrigerate it. If you don't refrigerate it, it's going to be worse. So you want to refrigerate it. So I'm gonna refrigerate it. So it's perfect amount. So let's go refrigerate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please click like, subscribe, and in the comments let me know if you guys enjoy. And how long I put it in for is for 10 minutes. And I haven't even got it out yet, but I'll get y'all I'll make another quick update on how it turned out to be. So yeah, sorry about my hair. So yes, bye.